India has achieved a major digital milestone as Prime Minister Narendra Modi formally launched BSNL's fully indigenous 4G network, developed in collaboration with Tata Consultancy Services (TCS), Centre for Development of Telematics (CDOT), and Tejas Networks. This marks a significant step toward a 5G-ready future, positioning the nation among the few capable of developing and managing their own core telecom infrastructure. As part of the rollout, 97,500 mobile towers have been commissioned across India in record time. The network now delivers high-speed internet to 26,700 villages, directly empowering nearly 2.2 crore citizens in rural and remote areas who previously lacked reliable digital connectivity. The system has been built on the Bharat Telecom stack, a fully homegrown architecture. In this framework, CDOT manages the core network, Tejas Networks provides the radio access network, and TCS oversees integration and operations. Designed as a software-based, cloud-native and modular system, the network can be smoothly upgraded to 5G in the future without requiring an overhaul of infrastructure. This development is more than a technical upgrade, it reflects India's push for digital self-reliance under the Atmanirbhar Bharat vision. By creating and deploying its own stack, India reduces dependence on foreign technology and strengthens its strategic autonomy in telecommunications. The benefits extend far beyond connectivity. The 4G expansion will enhance online education, telemedicine, e-governance, digital payments, and rural entrepreneurship. It is expected to narrow the digital divide between urban and rural India, fostering greater inclusion and opportunity. BSNL already reports more than 20 million users on the new network, with plans to expand into enterprise solutions and private 5G networks. Overall, the launch represents a bold stride in India's digital journey, combining scale, speed, and sovereignty as the country moves confidently toward the 5G era.